Hello friends, this is Ylvind. So now how it looks like this and like this. Now you just have to get rid of these things here. I don't really know how to do that, but we will start, and then it solves itself and fix the hole. So this is how it looks now, and this is the hole we have to cover. So how to do that, I don't know, I have to figure it out. So now the first step is done. It's a piece of demi-nacelle filling the hole. The 2 screws is just to give me a handle on it. And this SB is starboard. I don't mix them up because they're individual. So this is the starboard side. And this is the port side. We call it barbord in Swedish. Or there's 2 screws to hold on that I don't get a lot of epoxy on my fingers. So how to stop this?